Hi everyone, so we are going to Niagara today. So today we are going to travel to Niagara and my husband is checking everything, if we need anything, the air for the tires and oh, he's done. Yeah, that is our journey. So are you ready to drive all that way? Because we've never done it. It's like going from Colombo to Gaul, I guess.
Colombo to Gaul?
Yeah.
Or more than that?
Yeah. So we're on the 401 and it is what?
What?
401, you were just saying me something about 401.
It's the widest highway in the world.
It's the widest highway ever.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand.
We are in Burlington. Another 1.5 hours more. What? That's a long
No, that's because we didn't go through the 407.
Oh, okay. So this is 3 hours later and we are still in some highway,
Somewhere.
Queen Elizabeth Way, and we pass Burlington, Hamilton Beach Road. Oh, it's crazy traffic.
One eternity later.
So we are finally here in Niagara. I see that tower. You know you're in Niagara when you see that tower. It's the US Falls over there. Let's take it just in case we. So we are in Niagara. I mean, not at the falls. We had to park. There's no parking around, and parking is quite expensive here, right?
Yeah.
It was like $35.
Some
Is
places are
60. Some places were 10. The further you park away from Niagara Falls, I think it's less. And the more closer you are to Niagara Falls, it's very expensive. And now we are walking to the town. Is this downtown? Yeah. So we are walking to the town.
Yeah, it's actually better than I thought.
It's not that crowded for Saturday. We thought it would be really crowded. And
Because it's a proper town.
our roommates told us not to go on a Saturday because it's going to be really crowded. But so we are so happy that it's not that. Is where we're supposed to go for lunch, right?
Yeah.
That. After seeing this boat go up close to the Niagara Falls, we were convinced that we are going on the boat cruise, no matter how much it is, and that is definitely an experience we need to have when we are here. So we decided not to go dining and go for the boat ride instead. And we stayed 15 minutes in the queue, and there was self-service. Also, you can, get your tickets here. And we got 2 tickets and waited for another 15 minutes until we got out and saw this beauty. cruise, which was 15 minutes long, but it felt way longer. And we got so tired, so we thought we can't do anything else. We couldn't even walk after that. So we ordered a Papa John's takeout and we headed home.